Alright, today I'll show you how to connect N8N with NGROK, okay? This way we'll have N8N publicly available through NGROK, but with more convenience, without using terminals like VS Code. Let's start by going to NGROK and logging in, so let's do that. First, we need to get NGROK on our computer, so let's do that without any issues. Okay, let's open it. I'll tell you when I've got it already, okay? There it is. Well, actually it says it. Okay, NGROK. Now we'll delete this and follow the instruction. Run the following command to add your auth token to NGROK. Alright, let's open CMD and enter this. Just to let you know, it seems I didn't have it, okay? And I had to type, let me find it. This command here tells me, hey, NGROK is a command line app. Try typing ngrok.exit. Alright, I've typed it and nothing happened. There we have it. Now we should have NGROK. And I could also run the command they provided, which basically saves the configuration, okay? Also, if I search for NGROK now, it appears in my search result. Now to publish our app online, we copy this, okay? I'll go to the terminal, paste it, and change it to my port, alright? In this case, it's 5678. I can't see it here, but if I run my local N8N in this terminal, it shows port 5678. Okay, we press Ctrl C to close it. So let's go ahead and enter. I should mention that I ended up using the store installer. Okay, the .exe didn't work well, so we'll use the same commands again. All right, we enter this command here and set localhost to 5678. Now if we control click and open it, we can visit the site. It's important to have N8N active, okay? It's crucial, otherwise you won't be able to use it. Now we simply access through the NGROK free app and create a workflow. This is just to show you the webhook feature is working correctly. Well, just to show you how it works now. Have a nice day. Okay, I'll type it. I'm not sure if the workflow runs automatically. I'll click run workflow. It'll wait for a trigger like hi, then receive the message. As you can see, it works, the whole WhatsApp hi there process. This is just to show you that the connection is working, so it's that simple. I recommend doing it through the online mode. That's it. Hope you found this helpful and useful.